Hello guys, I'm Marco. Thanks for tuning into my first video. It's a lovely Wednesday morning. I'm in the northeast, I'm down at the beach and I'm here for a high intensity workout. A little later I'm going to break my fast with a nice bowl of granola and I'll show you how we do that. First things first, let's get into the workout. Okay, so that's the warm-up done. We've done 10 hill sprints there, 5 with the vest on, 5 with the vest off. Now we start the functional workout. So we're going to do pull-ups, we're going to do dips, we're going to do push-ups, and then we're going to do squats. That circuit, 10 reps of each, 10 times through, 100 of each. And we're going to have about a 30 seconds to a minute break in between each set. Yeah, let's do it. If you're a beginner, if you're someone who's not really into working out that much, but you know you want a hard, intense workout, I'd always recommend leaving the weights alone. Get outdoors, get into the gym if you have to, but just do functional exercises, the basics. We're attacking every muscle group here. I mean, pull-ups, we're doing our biceps, our triceps, we're doing all our back. Then we go into dips, so we're doing our triceps again, we're working our chest. Then we're going into push-ups. We can vary the push-ups where we focus more on chest. If we bring it in, we're focusing more on our triceps. And then we're doing squats, where it's all our lower legs, and we're driving up and working our hamstrings and our quads. And all of this, you're making sure your core's tight. That part of your body which stabilizes you is getting worked just as much as well. So it's a complete full body workout in just 4 different exercises. So we've done a couple sets with the vest on. Our muscles are blowing out now, so we're gonna finish this with the vest off so we can continue getting good form. Just ditch this and keep going. Whew. This exercise I'm doing this morning, it's completely fasted. I stopped eating at around 8 o'clock last night. I'll break my fast at around midday today. Key thing to fasting is how we break that fast. We don't want to spike our insulin levels and we don't want to make our insulin levels rise too much. As soon as we do that, anything we eat gets stored as fat and it's kind of counterproductive. So the best things to break your fast with are fats and really slow releasing carbohydrates. Even after a really intense workout like this, if you break your fast right, make this granola bowl, implement it into your daily routine, and yet you'll reap the benefits. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling pumped. I need to rehydrate now. I need to focus on breaking my fast and getting in the good nutrients, getting in that protein, getting in the carbs and setting myself up for the day. Whew. We're done. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna be making a really quick, really simple granola recipe. I have loads of nuts. So today we have Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, we have walnuts, and we have sliced and sort of broken up almonds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. There's about half a cup of each in there. We have goji berries, good fats again from the coconut chips. I use the chips because they're bigger. We have chia seeds, and we've got dried fruit. We'll save that for the end. Add in a bit of maple syrup just to bind it all together. All right, so we start with a big mixing bowl. And I've got here about 2.5 cups of whole rolled oats. And then this is the fun bit, so I'm just gonna add as many nuts as I want. No precision whatsoever. I mean, granola's granola. You sort of, however you enjoy eating it, is the way you make it. My recipe, heavy on the nuts, low on the dried fruit, obviously, because they're full of sugar. Well, it's hard to sort of lose fat on any sort of diet, so it's important to find something which works for yourself. And for me, fasting allows me to just, control my intake and go, right, that's it for the day, I'm done, and just relax, and I don't have to think about food anymore. Next, we have the bowl of sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Again, just mix them in. These are all the things that are gonna get baked in. Maple syrup, again, don't go too heavy on this because we don't want it to be too sweet, but I tend to go by eye and say, roughly a 1/4 cup. I'd say what's in here now, you're looking at about maybe 2 or 3 pound worth of ingredients. And this, for me, for one person, this will last a good week and a half easy. So realfoodsource.com, that's the website I use, and you can buy all your nuts in bulk. You can buy all your seeds, all your berries, all your dried fruits, all your flowers, everything. It's be a great promo for them. Hopefully they'll be sending us stuff one day, When you go plant-based and stuff, it's important to have accessible ingredients because you're cooking a lot for yourself. And the more you've got, the more creative you can be. What next? Oh yeah, coconut chips. This mix now, we can make granola bars. You know, if we make a little flax egg, which is just ground up flax seeds with a bit of water, chuck that in, it'll bind it all together, and then we can make them into little bar shapes. So the oven's preheated to 160. See, this goes in the oven for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes you take it out, give it a little flip, and then back for 10 minutes, so 20 minutes of cooking. All right, so while that's in the oven, let's prep the fruit. Whatever you've got, whatever fruit's in the house, just use it, chuck it on top. And another good thing about the fasting is you can flip and eat whatever you want. There's no restrictions, unless you go crazy and eat like 10 packs of Oreos or something, you know, then you're overdoing it. But by containing your sort of food intake within like an 8-hour period, as long as it's, you know, healthy food, you can eat as often and as much as you like. Well, it's always 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. And more often than not, it will start at 8 p.m. and then I'll break my fast at around midday the following day. You know, it's always nice when that time finally comes to then pick up a bowl of this granola, which is freshly made, chuck on a load of fruit, have some yogurt, and just enjoy it, you know. I started cooking vegan foods by looking at recipes, going on websites, finding what was, you know, quick fixes, quick meals, easy things to make. And yeah, it just sort of spiraled from there. The more creative I started to get, the more ingredients I wanted around me. The way I cook now, it's not the type of place you jump straight into. You know, you've got to develop it over time. You know, you have to surround yourself with the right foods. You have to, I had no idea what the hell a goji berry was 6 months ago. So this is halfway. Mix it up, pat it back down. All right, back in the oven. You know, I get a lot of questions in the gym, and one thing that surprises everyone is the fact that I am plant-based and I'm vegan, and I have been for quite a while now. And I always get asked, how do you maintain your muscle? How do you do this? What's your diet like? My idea and my plan is to show how easy and accessible plant-based cooking is, and to show how exciting it can be and how engaging it can be, and how with just a few simple little tricks you can swap all your meat and all your dairy for really, you know, protein-rich and sustainable food sources, which, you know, will help you in the gym as well. One thing that plant-based food has given me is this, you know, spring in my step and this sort of overwhelming, you know, sort of feeling of happiness. There's no negative feelings towards food anymore. When you eat a heavy burger and something that's quite rich in you know, trans fats and that, you know, you can sit there feeling bloated for hours and you're like, oh, I shouldn't have eaten all that. But when you eat plant-based, personally speaking, I've never felt that. Granola's out. This is where we mix it all in. And then we just let this cool down for 5 minutes and then we eat. I always mix in my chia seeds into my yogurt and it makes like a chia pudding. 2 bowls of granola. Tasty. Fucking eat them, boys. Eat. I'll just top this jar up. The rest, you know, can go into Tupperware boxes, and this will keep for a month easily. Bish, bash, bosh, boom. And there's my jar of granola, which will last me a really long time. A lot cheaper than buying it in the supermarket. And you know exactly what's in it. Tasty, wholesome, delicious. Thanks for watching. You know, today we made granola. You know, next we'll have who knows what, but I'm gonna keep cooking. Let me know what you think, and yeah, keep eating good food.